We are ready. It's time to build a house. I am standing in the middle of the kitchen. So today we start digging. This is freaking awesome. This is reporter Allie coming to you live from the build site. Tell me, Milachek, are you ridiculously excited? Yes. If you're enjoying these videos, consider subscribing. Remember, kids, we're a paycheck to paycheck channel. We are a paycheck to paycheck channel. Here we go. Unofficial beer of the Lazy A-Hole Ranch. Let's go find Mike. Figure it's cause for celebration.
Yeah. The official beer of the Lazy A-Hole Ranch.
That's what I said. The official, unofficial beer.
And got up too fast. And it has passed.
Cheers. It's time.
That's gone for a minimum of 5 feet 4 inches. I think the 2 inch we've got are 6 feet.
Site for that low spot there, because that's where we'll have to start.
Oh, I see how this works.
Okay. Well, if we go 5 foot 6 inches,
Yeah, that's gonna be easier.
well, we can go 4 too. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our point, that gives us 1/2 inch, dude. Okay, see there? That means you gotta go up. Okay. Each one of those lines is 1/10 of an inch. So you know you gotta come up to go down. See? If I'm a little steadier, I could hold it there.
That's what the stick's for.
Nobody's that steady.
You've got the right length here too, right?
Yes, well, fairly certain.
Measure 500 times. Cut once.
Yep.
Go away, rain. Bring off. So excited! Here we go! Here we go! And here comes the rain. Oh my
Just in
god.
time.
The first shovelful. Yes. I'm gonna cry.
It's loud.
We did it!
Pretty significant.
Oh my god, we're doing it! We're doing it. How are you feeling, Mike?
I'm pleased.
Cheers. Oh my god, guys, we're digging! Ah! I'm really excited. Sorry about the wind. So obviously I'm emotional. This is so huge. We've been waiting 2 years to dig these holes. We bought the kit 2 years ago. We've had it for a year. And so this is such a huge moment for us. I've never done anything like this before, and it's exciting and scary and awesome. Like I said, I'm kind of beside myself today. It's been huge. And if you want to follow our house build, please consider subscribing. It'll help us out a lot with continuing to make these videos. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do for us. I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate you. Bob is the man.
I'm the stick man, yay!
In comes the stick of measurement. Yay! Just a brief update. We hit a little bit of rock in the first trench. Looks like some granite. We may have to move the house back just a little bit just so we can get the pillars where they need to be. So we're kind of working on that. As a side note, we crashed the drone pretty bad today. The battery fell out because Allie did not properly secure it, and the drone fell about 150 feet to its death. So lens is cracked, it is screwed. No more lazy a-hole drone.
And the shit part is, we don't really have space to make this like the first trench and just move the whole thing over 8.5 feet.
No.
Because then we're into that tree and...
Here's the big rock. Now you can see it. Yeah, and it just keeps going back. Well, here we are, the end of day 2, and we have a giant hole in the ground. So back here behind me, we're gonna have what's called a post and pier foundation. So that means it's just gonna be a bunch of columns with I-beams across the top, and then we build the subfloor, I think, on top of the I-beams. But don't quote me on that because I'm less knowledgeable about this stuff than Mike is. It started out as 3 trenches, but we hit a big rock on this side. So we had to move things over a couple feet. And as a result, now we just have a giant hole in the ground. But that's great. That's fine for what we need. We have our open hole inspection on Tuesday. By the time you see this, we've probably been inspected. We'll find out the results of that next week. So I'm really excited. We've started building our home. I have so many feelings. I'm so happy. I'm sad too. I'm excited. I'm nervous. God, what a journey this has been. It has not been easy so far, and it's not going to get any easier as we go, but we're going. We're moving forward, and that's really what this is all about. Thanks for sharing this with us. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Thanks. I can't believe it. Our house is gonna be here. I'm so excited. Our house in the middle of a